Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play any PC game in virtual reality. Many traditional PC games, even those not designed for VR, can be enjoyed with an immersive virtual reality headset. We'll explore the tools and techniques that transform your favorite flat-screen adventures into stunning three-dimensional experiences. Get ready to dive into your existing game library like never before, experiencing familiar worlds with a fresh, captivating perspective. To begin, you'll need a robust gaming PC, ideally with a powerful graphics card like an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or an AMD Radeon 6000 series. Next, acquire a compatible VR headset, such as an Oculus Quest 2 or a Valve Index. Finally, install specialized VR injection software, like VorpX or certain community-made mods. These tools are essential for translating two-dimensional games into a three-dimensional virtual space. Once your hardware is ready, connect your VR headset to your PC and complete any initial setup. Before launching your game, open your VR injection software. Here, you'll configure game-specific profiles, adjusting settings like field of view, three-dimensional depth, and aspect ratio. Take your time to fine-tune these options. A comfortable and visually appealing setup is key to an enjoyable and immersive virtual reality session. For the best experience, experiment with both in-game graphics settings and your VR software's parameters. Aim for a consistent frame rate of at least 60 frames per second to minimize motion sickness. If you encounter issues, online communities and forums are excellent resources for game-specific tips and troubleshooting. Regularly updating your graphics drivers and VR software will also ensure optimal performance and stability for your virtual adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.